Okay guys, it's time for a Scentbird unboxing, but let me just give you some info about Scentbird. Scentbird, I think, is a $14.95 a month subscription, and with this subscription I think you can get like one scent or something every month. They send you a new scent every month. I've never actually used Scentbird for the scents. What a lot of people don't know is that Scentbird does have like makeup and skincare on their website, that if you don't want a fragrance, that you can substitute that fragrance for skincare or makeup items. Now, I've never used their makeup items because their makeup items are from brands that I don't think I've ever used before, but they're not familiar makeup brands to me. But their skincare, they have a great selection of high-end skin care. So instead of ordering scents, that you can go on there and you can get their skincare. Now, let me let you know, they have where you can get one product a month. You can put in an order for 2 products a month, or you can put in an order for 3 products a month. Now, I found out about this Scentbird thing on one of my Facebook groups I was in. So the first order, that if you saw that very first video, but my beginner foundation, I went over that first order that I purchased. I got this glow recipe. So basically, I got this watermelon glow recipe for like $10. I think that you could get a code or something to use. If someone's got a code, and you can get like some money off. So I got this full-size watermelon glow recipe moisturizer for like $10, and I've been using this since. It's been the only moisturizer that I have been using since I bought this. And so what I decided to do was that was going to be the end of my subscription. That's all I wanted, but I saw how amazing that was, and they had some more products on there. I wanted to place another I wanted to do another month. So I started to get another one of the glow recipe watermelon moisturizer, but I did not. I think I may regret that decision because I wanted to try some other things. So I put in for this month, I did a subscription to get the 3 items. I did the 3 items, and then now I have canceled the Scentbird subscription. So this is going to be our first and last unboxing of the Scentbird, unless I see something on there super amazing, because I'm going to continue to check their site for their skincare. Unless I see a skincare product on there that I see that's super amazing and that I want to try. And so if that happens, then we'll do another Scentbird. But if it's just one product, then I'll just probably add it on to another video and just let that be a gem. It won't be a video of its own. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get into this unboxing. So I just want to show you guys what kind of box it came in. This is the bigger packaging. I guess it said Scentbird, but it doesn't say it on the side. So this is kind of the size of the box I got with it. This is 3 products should be in here. I haven't opened this. I'm opening it now with you guys, so I do know what's in here because I should know what's in here because I picked the products. So we're gonna see. They sent you some cards. They let you know some of the things. They got some Elements products. They got all types of Elements products in here. They got the glow recipes. So they send you some cards to just let you know what kind of items that they do have. And I'm gonna show you guys how it's packaged. So amazing, right? So there should be 3 products, but I see 1 box. We're gonna go ahead and pull this box out first. So this box is the watermelon glow sleeping mask. And y'all know I got that was it a Dr. Brandt or somebody sleeping mask in one of my other boxes in a BoxyCharm this month. So I'm gonna probably do a half and half of these and see which one I like. I should have looked up prices, but you can find all of these items. I think this watermelon, I know for sure the glow recipe you can get from Sephora. So you can get this one for Sephora. I forgot how much, to look up how much it costs before I started this video. And let me try to get in this. So here it is. They have a piece of tape right here that I cut, and now I open it up. And so we're just gonna open this. Okay. So it's got like some little styrofoam in here, and you just pull this whole thing out. And this is a full-size product, and it looks luxurious. It's got like that thick type of glass, just like the moisturizer. I actually thought this product was a little bit bigger than it was. I was gonna see how many ounces this is. This is 2.7 ounces. And what the sleeping mask is you're supposed to put this over your moisturizer at night, and then I think when you wake up in the morning time that you wipe this off. And it says you can use as a peeling soup. Okay, so you can use it as a wash off mask. It's got directions on how to use it as a wash off mask and how to use it as a peeling mask. A peeling sleeping mask. So you apply 2 dime size amounts to the skin as a final step of the evening routine. For drier skin types, layer an additional dime size amount onto skin. Pat gently until absorbed. Wash thoroughly in the morning and use 3 to 2 times a week. So this is how to use as a peeling sleeping mask, and then it has direction to use as a wash off mask. It says use the spatula to scoop the face mask and spread a thick layer gently across the face from forehead to chin, avoiding direct contact with your eye and lip areas. Rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. Use 2 to 3 times a week. So you can use this, I guess, as a regular, just a nighttime mask, and then as a wash off mask. It said use the spatula. I don't think I got no spatula. I guess I can use my own spatula, but I just got, it didn't come with the spatula, but I just got this product. I think this product is going to be amazing, but I'm going to try to test it out, and when I get a chance to, I'll let you guys know. And then if I eventually get to film that half and half video, I'll probably film it with me going to bed, and then with me waking up, washing it off so you guys could see it. So we're going to see if I can dig around and find my second item in here. Okay. I thought there were 3 items. I don't see but 2. So the second item I have in here is the Elements Peptide Night Recovery Cream Oil. And it's it says this is a skin synchronizing night cream oil, combines the hydration of moisturizing cream with the protection of oil. Skin follows natural circadian rhythms, which boosts nighttime skin renewal. Elements Peptide 4 helps support this natural process. It's got night scented stock oils, leaving the skin feeling rebalanced, restored, and replenished. Wake up with healthy looking complexion. And so you can get Elements products from Sephora. I actually don't think, not from Sephora, but from Ulta. I don't think that Sephora sell Elements. I think they do a lot of Clinique, but Ulta also sells Clinique. And this is the packaging it came in. It's in beautiful packaging. Let's see. Let's just do a little pump. Okay. So it's a white type of serum. It smells, oh man, it smells great. I cannot wait to dip into these products. I thought there was supposed to be 3 products, but I only found 2 products in my bag, in my box. I was supposed to have the Elements Superfood Oil, the Elements Superfood Oil, and it's actually not in my box, so I need to contact Scentbird. But that's very disappointing. So this may be my last box. I don't like stuff like that. Don't leave stuff out of my box that I didn't pay for. So this is very disappointing. I'm gonna contact their customer service, let you guys know what happened. Hopefully it's an easy process and they don't give me a hassle, and I hope that they still have it and that I can still get the product that I wanted. But I'm very disappointed right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But just know that Scentbird does have great skincare, and if I was you guys, I would give it a try. I'm sure everybody does not go through the things that I have been through with this missing product. But thank you guys for joining me.